Hi there, I'm John Castles, your loan officer here at Cross Country Mortgage. I wanted to share something important that many homeowners overlook, and honestly, it could be a game changer for your future. It's about home equity and how it can help you move into your next home faster and smarter. Here's the thing: equity isn't just a number on paper, it's real money you've built through your mortgage payments. And the best part, you can actually use it to fuel your next move. Whether you're looking to upgrade, relocate, or downsize, your home equity can help you cover a substantial down payment on your new home, reduce the amount you need to borrow to keep payments manageable, and close faster so you become a more competitive buyer. The challenge is knowing exactly how much equity you have and what strategy makes the most sense for your situation. That's where it gets real. Your Home Digest breaks it all down in one clear snapshot. You'll see your actual equity position and can even run different scenarios, different loan amounts, down payment sizes, so you're making informed decisions, not guesses. If you're thinking about your next chapter, whether it's this year or a few years down the road, I'd love to walk you through your options. We can run real numbers and build a plan that actually works for your timeline and goals. Reach out anytime. You can send me a direct message using the pink chat bubbles right in your report, or call me or email me. I'm here to help make this happen. Let's turn that equity into opportunity.